Now, on the tests, and in homework, and in class assignments, I said always that I don't care how you do it, as long as it works. Unless I gave specific instructions. For instance, now I gave an instruction that I want you to use a loop. Meaning if you just write 3 input boxes, that's not doing the assignment as you were requested. So let's do it now and see how to do it. Sub
Bless you.
Thank you, gentlemen.
And your descendants.
Thank you.
Okay, so if I run this, an input box will open 3 times, and every time it will put into I the value that is entered. Okay? But that is not good enough for what we want, because we need the sum. We don't need the last I. Okay? So, I add another variable. And over here,
What's a long?
long integer is up to 33,000 or something like that, a bit less than that. Long is,
I think there's a reason why you chose long or as opposed to integer.
yeah, because if I add 3 integers, one up, I might go over the limit of an integer, and then I'll have a type mismatch. Okay, now, here in my sum, I want to keep the sum of all the numbers I received up till now. Okay? How do I do that? My sum equals what? Could you help me? I want to keep in the memory that I assigned, calling it my sum, all the sum of all the numbers that I received up to this point. So my sum would be equal to what?
I plus I plus I.
X minus
I plus, okay, I plus, that's right, because I want to add the new I to what?
Hold on. I minus 1.
To what?
To whatever the next value is. To IX.
Whatever the
Okay.
second I is, just how do we?
Okay, so let's do this exercise together, okay? I will give you now 3 numbers. I want you to add them up in your head and return that sum of them, okay? Ready? First number is 2, then there's 3, and then there's 3. What's the sum?
8.
8, very good, okay? Let's do that again. The first number is 2, okay? That's I, right? Okay. So my sum equals I, that's okay. Now the second number is 3. What do you do?
1 plus
I plus 1. 1 plus 2.
I
I plus 1.
plus whatever was before. Where did we keep what was before? In my sum. Okay? So if I do I equals, my sum equals I plus my sum. Let's try this again, okay? First time I go through it, equals 2. My sum
Is equal
No,
to
equals 2.
equals nothing, because up to now there was nothing in my sum, so 0. Plus I is 2, equals what? 2. This is first round of the loop. Second round of the loop, I equals 3, right? Because the second time, the input box, I put 3. I equals 3. My sum equals 2, because it was 2 before. So my sum equals 2 plus I, 3. So how much is it now? 5, right? Third time through, I equals 3. Again, or 4, whatever. My sum equals my sum, which is 5 from the last time, plus I, which is now 3, equals 8. So what does my sum equal? 8, right? So here, I kept the sum of the numbers that I entered up till now.
so
Now all I have to do is go out of the loop and do, let's say k equals message box
what?
Okay, the sum is, I missed here, %. The sum is, and my sum, and VB new line, and the average is, and my sum divided by 3.
What's VB new line?
New line.
A new line in the message box. Okay, so if I now press this, please enter a value 2. Enter another value 3. Enter another value 3. Message box, the sum is 8. The average is 2.
I still don't get how it adds all of them, just with that.
Again, first time I entered 2.
Right.
My sum equals what?
Well, my sum is 0. and it's-
0 plus the 2. Now my sum equals 2, right?
Because my sum is equal
Well,
to
what do you
I.
type? What do you
I
type?
previously.
Okay, yeah.
Got it?
That makes sense. I'm saying, but if you wanted to do that, only the 2, what would you write? What would you write in the VBA?
I don't understand. What do you mean I wanted to
Let's say
only-
you only wanted the first number of I.
I wouldn't do a loop. I just enter it one time.
I know, but you do have 3, but you want to manipulate the 3 numbers now.
Again.
Thi-
I did this
loop-
because in advance I know I want to do it 3 times and add the numbers together.
Right.
If I wanna do it only once, I don't use a loop.
No, but if you wanna do different things, you make a loop, you wanna sum, you also wanna take two numbers, you wanna do a lot, you wanna do a lot of things.
No, over here, the assignment was to accept 3 numbers and give the sum and the average. That was the
So
assignment.
I just represents all 3 numbers?
I represents a number which I receive from the user. How does that represent that? Because I say I equals input box, whatever.
Right.
Okay? Now, each time I receive a new number and I put it into I and I use that.
I'm saying that means you have 3 eyes, or that means you,
No, I have one I and I use it every time.
an eye is representative of,
I is a variable. It's a memory in
Is the
the,
input.
allocated in the computer. So if I put there 2, what does it remember? 2.
but in the.
If I reassign it and I put in there's 3, it erases the 2 and it remembers 3.
Right, but you've done I 3 times.
No, I have one I. This is the memory in the computer. I call this I,
Right.
okay? I say I equals input box.
Right.
What was in the input box? 2. Now I equals 2.
Right.
I go through the loop again. I get to I. I equals input box. What did they put in the input box? 3. Computer erases this. You'll see a 3. Instead of the 2, now there's a 3 over there.
Got it, I didn't get that part. So now it's just saying my sum, we're just adding it every single time.
Right.
Alright, and it's putting it on a loop, okay, fine,
Set up?
thanks.
Questions? Okay. You need to upload in Moodle in class number 7? Okay? This code over here that we just did in class, including this working. Questions? Okay? That's it for today.
Is it?
Yeah.